Happy holidays, guys.
Yeah. I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun, ain't spending this summer alone.
Before I get to my awesome magic mail, not that I know what's in it, but I'm sure it's going to be awesome. I'm going to show you a way that I decorate for the holidays with my pins. And I know this is a little late to be showing holiday decorations, but I had forgot that I hadn't shown you guys. So let's go to my awesome, and I do say awesome, way of decorating with Disney holiday trading pins. And here you go. So on my curtains, I bought these foam snowflakes, and like this one's white, this one's silver, blue, and then I put the Christmas like pins on them. Now the first ones I had put on there, the whole reason for it is because they didn't have backer cards. So they're older pins that I had gotten from live sales. And like here's another one with Chip and Dale, first day of winter. But then I got some on our recent trip, like the Festival of the Holidays, where I have the backer cards. And I thought that's fine. I still love the fact that like the pins, you know, the snowflakes on the backer card, and then on those snowflakes. You've already seen some of these pins. I'm not sure if all of them have been shown on my haul vlog yet, but I did a pin tag where I showed a lot of these already. So this is one that I had gotten off a pin board at the annual pin event at Epcot. And then the Grand Floridian, Minnie Mouse, Mary Poppins pin. I know I showed this and the Alice gingerbread pin on a holiday pin tag. I know I showed this DVC pin. And I don't think I've shown this one yet, except in the haul. If I have even put up part 2 yet, which I probably haven't. But anyway, just I don't know, you know guys, I just really enjoy displaying my pins in different ways, and this is just one of the ways that I display them at Christmas time. So comment below on what you think about this little pin display. Tell me about some of your unusual pin displays. Alright, now on to some magic mail. So I have a couple cards first, and this is so cute. Okay, so the Mickey and the tree and the plaid, and I already actually hung this one up. That's why it has tape on it. Before I realized, oh my goodness, I haven't vlogged this card yet. So this is from Ashley, and I remember getting a card from her last year. So Merry Christmas, Ashley. And then I have one, first of all, I love all the stickers. So we have the sparkly little snowman here, and let's see, cover up the address here, and the adorable reindeer. This is from Kate, and Kate has also sent me a while back some candy to try, some Australian candy to try. So I will try and remember to link that above right now so you can see. I think Mr. Mouse Diva tried some, didn't he? I can't remember. But anyway, of me trying the Australian candy that she sent over. Alright, here we go. So she is wishing me and the family a happy New Year and a Merry Christmas. And she got to go to Walt Disney World. Well, she's actually at Walt Disney World like right now. At least I think this is going to go up in time, I hope. But as of my taping, she's actually on like a last minute Walt Disney World trip, which is just like so exciting. I'm so happy for her. So thank you, Kate. Okay, so this was so unexpected. Well, it wasn't unexpected because I was actually expecting it in the mail. But when she messaged me, it was so unexpected. Liz had sent me the It's a Small World Christmas pins, the 2 boxes that I have already opened and shown you guys. Well, anyway, she had some that she had doubles of, so she waited for me to see what I was getting so that she could send me a couple that she got duplicates of, and I am so excited about one of them. So I know that's what's in this box, but as I just had opened it, I'm seeing other like, oh wow, okay, so Liz lives in California, so obviously Disneyland is her home park. Yay! And so she sent me guide maps because, you know, I've never been to Disneyland. I can't pull myself away from Disney World long enough. And then it's so weird that they have a Festival of the Holidays there also, because I just, in my head, it's like, it's just an Epcot thing, but it's not just an Epcot thing. So that is like so odd to me. Oh gosh, that is just so weird. Oh, and then a food guide? Oh, cool. This is really neat. Do we even have that? I know we have like a vegetarian one. Huh, because I pick up the vegetarian one. Okay, I cannot wait to just like sit down and actually go through this. I am so glad she sent that to me because, you know, I don't get to go, so I don't know what's there, but and I'm pulling, oh. Okay, and then and then another guide map. This is so cool. One day I will get there. One day I will have to make it there. I have to go to the original park. That's just, yeah. Okay, so I'm feeling a little card. So let's see. Oh, that is, wow, that is really pretty. It actually has glitter. Oh my goodness. Wishing you and your family a wonderful Christmas and happy 2020. Thank you so much, Liz. And then, oh my gosh, the pins. Okay, I'm gonna save the one I'm most excited about last. So this one I did not get when I opened my pack, and she had got a duplicate. So, I'm just so appreciative that she's actually thought about me to send these to, because I didn't think I would have any more than, you know, the 4 I have, I didn't think I'd be getting any more. Oh, this is the one I'm most excited about because of one character on it. Oh my gosh. Check it out. Do you see that character? It's Mushu. I mean, you don't get a lot of merch with Mushu on it. And it's a small world pin. Yeah, this is totally great. Oh my gosh. So, Liz, thank you so much. I was just expecting a box with the 2 pins in it. I wasn't expecting all the extra goodies, which I'm so glad you sent, just so I can kind of know what's going on around Disneyland. So, thank you and Merry Christmas, Liz. Okay, I have one more for this one. I love the little tape on here that she put this. So this is from Cherie, and you've already seen me open basically my Christmas present from Cherie, but she said that she had made me something else and wanted to send it, and I was so worried, like I pre-opened, like cut this, but I was so worried I was going to cut the paper. Oh, what? Oh, she sent another card. Okay. Let's see. I can't believe she sent something else. I'm like, Cherie, you already sent me my Christmas, but it has Snoopy and Woodstock. Oh, I love Snoopy and Woodstock. Okay, so she said that she saw this fabric, whatever this is, the fabric, and she thought of me and she couldn't resist, and then she just wanted me to tell everybody Merry Christmas. So So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera off because you know me, it's going to take me a minute to actually unwrap this so that I don't rip the paper. I got the one side open. I'm hoping that I can just slide it out so I don't, yeah, I can, good. Oh my gosh, now I know what she meant by, oh my gosh. Okay, so I am a fanatic about little red trucks with little Christmas trees in them. Oh my gosh, I have never seen fabric like this. The fact that it has Mickey and Minnie. So our colors, like my accent colors in the living room, are red. So this is going to look amazing on the couch. Oh my gosh. Oh, she even has her little Made by Cherie tag there. Wow, thank you so much. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome. And it's so comfy. Anyway, it's going on the sofa. It's going to look amazing. So thank you again from Liz and Ashley and Kate and Cherie. Oh, and Ears by Shiny. That's who made these ears. She sent me these a couple weeks ago. Look her up on Instagram. And guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas and a wonderful start to the new year in 2020. And I hope in that new year, you're going to be a subscriber of the Mouse Diva channel. See you at the parks.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl. But now there's a window